Precision was our starting point. In 1931, Portescap began crafting motion solutions that would shape the future. Guided by our Swiss heritage, we've spent decades advancing motion technology, innovating with purpose at every step. Today, our motors power the tools that change lives. In medicine, in robotics, in aerospace. Wherever motion matters, we're there. And with expert teams across 3 continents, we deliver solutions trusted by engineers around the world. Our motors may be small in scale, but their impact is anything but. And now, as part of Regal Rexnord, our reach and capability are greater than ever. Portescap, motion that matters.